Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back. So it's been a long time since I have made these types of video. So today, as you guys have seen at the title, I am going to recreate one of my. I'm going to do a tutorial and recreate one of my first projects in KODULAR, which is the NameCard app. So first, of course, you open the KODULAR Creator app, which is creator.kodular.io, and next is create project. Now you go to the project's name this uh, name underscore card, for example. That's what I'm going to name it. And now after you click next, you will have you will get this type of pop-up, which is configure the projects. It's where you are going to configure your app name, the theme, like whether it's light theme, dark theme, or the default of the uh, device that will run itself. And the minimum SDK level here is the minimum version of the operating system. So mine here is the lowest, which is Android 5.0, 5.5.0.2, or AP21. And the package name here, later we're going to add the project the project our name dot the project name. So let's start from the app name, NameCard App. The theme, default, minimum SDK level, it's up to you guys, but for me, I'm just going to use the Android 5.0, so it will run smoothly at my phone if I'm going to connect it to the KODULAR companion. And then the package name will be com dot my name, Saka dot name card app, or just name card. And these three hex codes are for the theme that you're going to use. So this is the primary color of your application. This is the primarily dark color if for the what is it called, uh, dark the dark mode of the application, and the accent color of the application. So I'm just going to leave it like this. You can change it later if you want to, but for now on, I'm just going to leave it like this. Then click finish, and it will start loading the thing. Okay, now you are inside of the lovely application. So this is what you're going to see first. Here are the palettes. Here for UI, layout, media, drawing, map, sensor, social, storage, utilities, dynamic component, connectivity, Google, monetization, Lego Mindstorms, and some extensions if you want to add those. And we have a lot here inside of the user interface. I'm not going over that one by one, but you guys can check it out by yourself if you want to. And then we have the viewer here, which is what we are like a simulation of what we are going to see later on at the screen. And here, the device that we are currently using is the Google Pixel 3, and you guys can change through different devices such as the LG Nexus 5X or the Samsung Galaxy S9. And for this project, I'm going to use the Galaxy S9 because it's the biggest one. It's the biggest phone inside of the application. Okay, so now uh, we select that. So the options menu doesn't come here. The triple dots here. Uncheck that. Gone. Now status bar is the one showing the phone, the how many like battery percentage or for the time or the notifications. I'm going to deselect that because we don't really need it. What we really need is only the screen, the title. And for the title, we are going to use, for the title, we are going to change it into name card, like that. And oh yeah, and title, font type, there are a lot of font types here that you guys can use. It's not loading, okay. But I'm just going to use the default for now. And then the alignments, so the alignments will be center for the horizontal, and also center for the vertical. You guys can change the background color now. It's basically up to you. I'm going to use like warm red color. Yeah, that looks good. Or maybe warmer, like warm blue. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, so next thing we are going to add here is the layout. So add a card view inside, and there you go. Now change the alignments to center and center. Change the corner radius into 15, and elevation I'm going to add it into 4. So elevation is, so you see the small shadows there, that's the elevation. If it's 0, it will look like there's nothing there. So the more you add it, the more it looks like 3D-ish. And the height, for the height, 60%. And it looks good. Right now, for the height, I'm going to use 80%. For the width, 85 maybe. Okay, this is what we are going to work with. Now we can go to UI and add an image. Now, oh yeah, we are going to add an image by clicking this icon here, the assets manager icon, and now we're going to upload an asset. We are going to search for a file. I'm going to use this one. Okay, now for the pic, now add it inside there. There you go, there's me. And then add a space in the space by going to layout, general, and add, wait, no, wrong, space inside there. Now change the height into 2%, 25 pixel now, 2%. Okay, and then add a label underneath of it. Now the text that we are going to use, text for label 1. So the font type says default, but make the font bold, and the width is going to be fill parent, and the alignment center. So this one will be the name, our name. So I'm gonna add my name there. Okay. And then underneath of it, we are going to add another spacing, another 2% on the spacing, and we're going to add the horizontal arrangement, the height being 15%. Wait, no, that's too big. Height being 5, too small. All right, so height 8%. 6%. The width will be fill parent, so it will fill the whole thing. And so the alignment will be center and center. We're going to use center everything here. And then we are going to add a image inside of the horizontal arrangement. So this image here, I'm going to go back to the assets manager, and I'm going to upload another icon, which is, it's gone. Okay, wait, going to add another icon here, which is the, where is it? The calendar, and also the, so much stuff here, guys. Oh, and mail. Okay, got that. Now for the first image will be calendar. Yes, it will be, so it will look big. Now change the height. There you go, 5% fill current. That looks good. And then add another spacing. Okay, too big, maybe. 5% also on the width. And for the height, automatic also parent, it's up to you. For the width, we're going to do 2% only. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, then next is we are going to add a label. And this text is going to be, so this one's going to be our birth date, so 19 September, wait, September 2008. That's my birth date. Now do that. And the width, fill parent, okay, no. And the width, maybe 15%. Hope that's bad. 25. Just play with the width and height on the text. It's up to you actually. For me, it's 35%. Okay, now you add another image. No, I mean space. There, the height will be 2%. And now right click on the horizontal arrangement and press duplicate. Now it will duplicate the whole horizontal arrangement, and I'll put it underneath the space, and change the image from calendar into mail, and also change the 19th September into my personal email. So I'm just going to use this example@gmail.com. That's the email. And next is going to be another space. There's another space here. The height will be 5%. Be 5%, and then oh wait, no, that's wrong. Just adjust it. So I'm going to use 7%. Then add another, so you can add another card view, I guess. Yep, you can add another card view inside there. The alignment will be center again. Corner radius 15 as before. Oh no, maybe 8. This one. Yep. Width will be 95%. What? The width will be 80%. the height will be 15. Okay. And the color here, we are going to use a darker color, or no, we are going to use the same blue, or maybe make it a little bit darker. Let me put it a little bit darker, just like that. Now I'm going to add some of my projects here. I'm going to add a vertical arrangement inside here. Adjust the height will be fill parent, and the width and maybe just 50, no, too small. What the cost would be, so 20. Yeah, 20%, I guess that would be enough. And spare. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. Add a horizontal arrangement inside. Make it fill parent. Change the background color to none. Yep, like that. Now inside of that horizontal arrangement, add a vertical arrangement. Height fill parent. Width 20%. Would the 20% work? Yep. Now add space. Oh yeah. Also, the alignments be centered as always. The height automatic, it's fine. The width only 3% or 5. Alright, we're going to use 5%, and we're going to copy or duplicate it. That duplicate the thing and duplicate it until 3. Okay, like that. And now for the first one, center this too, change it to center this. Well, just change everything to center. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to the user interface, add a label. So the label, make it bold. The width fill parent, so the text will be game. So this is basic. So what I'm adding inside here is my project that I've made. Oh, wrong. That I've made. So maybe one there. I change the alignment to center. This too. Alignment center, and the text will be the number. So for example, I've made 19 games. Make the font bold, and the size, change it into 20. Okay, now do the same thing. Go here. Now about web, font bold, yeah, text alignment center, and below here center. So 2 websites. I've made 2 websites, I believe. Change the font size into 20 and make the font bold. Do the same thing again here. I'm going to try KODULAR. Font bold. Okay, and alignment center. Underneath, another label, align center. Color. I made how many projects? I think I'll say 6. I think it's 6. Yeah, let's just say 6 projects. 20, and there you go. Now this is optional, but you can change the background color to none, uh, none, this one too, change it to none, or change, and also this one, change it to none, right over here. This one to change to none. So this is the NameCard app, and yeah, this is basically, oh yeah, now you can change a few things right over here, such as the fonts and whatever it is, or just change the looks. So you guys can see the height here is only 15%. Maybe you can change it to 20% or 25. It's up to you. Now I'm going to add another label here above, so with, make it center, and the font size will be, let's just make it 18. Now font bold, and the text will be my project. Okay, so this is it. Now you got, so yeah, this is the NameCard app, and you can go to test and connect to companion, and then copy this QR code. You can scan this QR code using your phone, or enter the code inside of the companion app and see the phone running in see the app running inside your phone. But we're not going to do that now because this is only a tutorial and not a demo. The demo because and I have already made the demo before. So if you haven't checked out the demo, you can check it out. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.